Now we're going to learn to use our Xtricate Data Zone Translator to take the OCR data from our bank statement and translate it into our Xtricate transaction spreadsheet, which we use to prepare our case data. So let's go ahead and open up our Data Zone Translator and move it over the statement, since we're going to be using the OCR information and not the statement. We select the deposit area and use Control-C to copy, and then go to the statement area in the Data Zone Translator and use Control-V to paste. Now we look at the statement and look at the year, which is 2008 for these transactions. Go ahead and change the type to a credit, which this one is. Now the format that we have the closest to it in our listing is date, note, amount, note. When you use this, it will forego any missing second note and just go ahead and create the transaction spreadsheet information. We're going to open up a transaction spreadsheet so we show how we move the information from the DZT to the transaction spreadsheet. Now what we do is we select the transaction spreadsheet area, Control-A to select all, Control-C to copy, go into the spreadsheet, Control-V to paste. Now you see that the format is all laid out in the same as the Xtricate transaction spreadsheet. So from here, we're going to do the next section, which is our checks. We're going to select the area that we need. We're going to only get the ones in December since we're leaving it at 2008 for now. Go ahead and select the type, which is debit. Select the format. In this case, the format is a check number, a date, a note, and then the amount. We hit go. Again, the DZT creates the transaction information to be copied and pasted into the spreadsheet. We'll go ahead and do the next section too, which is the withdrawals. Again, Control-C is copy, Control-V is paste. We do not have to change the type, just the format, and the format is the same as our first group. Run it, Control-Copy, and Control-Paste into our spreadsheet. Now that we got it into our spreadsheet, we would usually move on and do the 2009 transactions in this statement, but we're going to go ahead and bypass that and show you how to add the document image information. So we go select in the document image field over here. We name it the name of the statement that we are using, which is bankstatement.pdf. Okay, I go ahead and delete out this extra. Now this is a reference to the image that this transaction data was taken from. We can go ahead and select it and drag it down, and it'll fill in the rest of the spreadsheet. And when we open it up, we see we have a complete spreadsheet with dates, their types, their amounts, our document images, our check numbers, and our notes.